Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to match bank transactions in QuickBooks Online. First, log into your QuickBooks Online account. From the dashboard, go to the left menu and click on the Banking tab. Then select Bank Transactions. At the top of the page, choose the bank or credit card account you want to review. You will see two tabs. One is for review and the other is categorized. Click on For Review. Here you will see the list of downloaded transactions from your bank feed. QuickBooks will try to match transactions automatically. When a match is found, you will see a green match button. This means QuickBooks found an existing transaction in your books that has the same amount and close date. To review the match, click on the transaction. A panel will open on the right side. Check the details such as payee, amount, and date. If everything looks correct, click Match to confirm. If QuickBooks does not find a match automatically, you can match it manually. Click on the transaction, then select Find Match. You will see a list of possible existing transactions. Use the filters if needed to search by date or amount. Select the correct transaction and click Match. After matching all transactions, review the Categorized tab to make sure everything is correct. This helps keep your records clean and ready for reconciliation. Thanks for watching.